Hey there, check this out. This is our cabin. It's kind of plain out here right now. Got everything put up for the winter. But this cabin is someplace that is basically the hub of our whole place. 3 seasons out of the year. We do a lot of stuff out here. A lot of times we just hang out, enjoy being outside. But we store a lot of our camp gear. Here's our kitchen. We have an archery range right out back here in our yard. So we store a lot of our bows and things like that. Sometimes we just sit out here and read books just to enjoy being outside. And the bows, some of the bows that we store out here don't belong to us. They belong to our sons and daughter-in-laws. We all enjoy shooting, and our grandkids. But we use this cabin as a gathering place. We have family come over just to hang out with us for the day. They enjoy being out here. It's very peaceful and quiet. We can have a fire in the stove, cook on it if we want. Sometimes we sleep out here just to be away from the house for a while. We are also reenactors of living history. We do the fur trade era. So a lot of our clothes and things like that are out here. And basically that's what we got the cabin for, was for storing things to where we could get to them, but we didn't have to have them underfoot or in a trailer anymore. We just come in and get what we wanted. Dwayne's shoes up there. Some of his hats. We cook on cast iron a lot, in the house and outside. And we love the porch. We're outside around the fire pit and the porch. Like I said, it doesn't look really pretty right now this time of year, but it's pretty cool hanging out here. So we will talk more about this when the weather gets nicer and we're out here all the time. Thanks for watching the video.